Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is Umar with you, and today was midcap expiry. I can tell you this was very lethal. Midcap expiry was lethal, and not only this midcap Nifty was lethal, even a previous midcap Nifty was very lethal, and I can tell you it is very hard to trade in this market, in this kind of market. You know, the problem is that you don't see VIX, India VIX rising, but on an expiry day, whether it is Banknifty expiry or Nifty expiry or Nifty expiry or BankX expiry or Sensex expiry, you see two-way, three-way move, right? This is the problem in terms of expiry day trades, but we don't have to, we have to live with it. We have no other way. Markets are markets. I'm not trying to complain, but you'll have to learn. You'll have to know the things. You'll have to have a knowledge. You'll have to have the caliber to trade in this market, right? So before going into the levels, we have talked briefly about Nifty and Banknifty in yesterday's video. So if you have not watched our yesterday's video, you can go back and you can see it in our channel, or I will leave the link somewhere in this video, right? Before going into the level, let me tell you, Market League is conducting an online conference between 27th to 29th, and there are going to be a huge number of hosts from Zebu advisors to technical analysts. So all kind of people are going to participate in this program, for which the link is on the description below, and there is a 90% discount. We'll talk about that briefly. 90% discount for last 100 people. All the seats have been booked. So if you are interested, you can join the online conference which is conducted by Market League and moneycontrol.com, right? Now going into the market, now this is the Banknifty, Midcap Nifty chart, and look at this chart. If you see this chart, this three candle, right? This three candle itself, like Midcap Nifty moved from around 11,000, right? Around 11,060, all the way it hit around maybe 10,850 levels, right? That was a drop of more than 200 points in an index which is not as big as Banknifty, or let's say for that matter even Nifty, right? So these kind of move on an expiry day, how do you expect to make money? Let's assume you have written 11,000, okay, 11,000 P option. It would have gone from maybe 25 rupees, from 25 rupees to 250 rupees. So you could have done nothing, right? That's why I always say you will have to need caliber, you will have to need patience, you will have to need perseverance to trade in this kind of market. And particularly nowadays, whether it is as I told you, whether it is Nifty, Banknifty or any expiry, it is very hard to trade in this kind of market, right? So anyway, we have done whatever we can do, and today's profit is around, let me show you the screen. We posted this in our social media post, whether it is YouTube community, Twitter, or even our Telegram group. We made a profit of around 19,500 rupees. Now this 19,500 rupees, this is 19,500 rupees, and still we are not in profit. You have to understand, this whole month we are not in profit. We are just cost to cost. I'm telling about the gross profit, and if you even calculate the charges, maybe we will be in loss only. So that is the type of month February has been. It has been very volatile, and it is very hard, or it is very tough to trade. Now looking at the markets, let's say what is going to happen to Nifty, Banknifty, or let's say for that matter tomorrow Nifty. We'll also talk about Nifty expiry. Actually, I want to post daily morning videos on Nifty or that day's expiry, but due to time I'm not able to post. Now this is the Nifty chart. Now if you are aware, or if you have seen our previous video, we told that Nifty or Banknifty, there is a level is around 21,800, right? Now I firmly believe, you can see here, even though this is the hourly chart of Nifty, even though the markets were falling, Nifty was kind of making two-way, three-way move, right? So we saw let me change this to a 5 minutes chart. And before changing this to a 5 minutes chart, let me tell you, we have a very strong support at 22,000. then after which maybe 21,800. Now if this 22,000 is taken out, maybe Nifty will go till 21,800. We don't see any lower levels than 21,800. Now if you ask me why 21,800 is very important, I will show you. I'll just simply draw a line and show you what is happening at around 22,000. This is 22,000 area, right? Yeah, this is 22,000 area. So this yellow line is 22,000 area. See here, this this area where you can see that Nifty has been a good resistance, then it has broken, came down till around 21,400 or 21,500. These are all 21,500 levels. Again it went till 22,000, then came back to 21,600, again went back, and this is the yesterday's thing. So whatever happened on Friday, this is the Friday's price action. So again it is going on the higher side. So again I am telling you 22,000 is very good support, and even if 22,000 is taken out, 21,800 is going to be a very strong support. And this is my perspective. There is a strong disclaimer, I may go wrong. End of the day, if we are going wrong, all we have to do is make sure we come out of the market in profit. That is the core objective of whatever we are doing, right? If this is your bread and butter, if trading is your bread and butter, you have to make sure whatever hell happens, you have to be in profit. Of course there are things which is out of our control, which are not in our hands, but I can tell you, you'll have to do your best to do things and come out of the profit. Now I know what you are thinking. You can give any gyan or you can give any advices because it is free, but I can tell you, you will have to have a mindset rather than believing. And of course, even in our Telegram, many people have posted they have made huge losses and they are in huge loss. I'm not saying no. A day like this where markets are making two-way, three-way moves, you're not getting premiums, and obviously you are going to make losses. I'm not complaining, but you will have to do things out of the box. That's what I am trying to say. Don't think I am arrogant, and don't think I am talking because I have made profit. It doesn't mean because today I am in profit doesn't mean I will make profit tomorrow also. I may end up in losses also. In fact, last week we made a huge loss, around 1.62 lakhs loss we made in a single trading session, which we have posted in our Twitter, YouTube community, or even in Telegram. So losses are inevitable. You cannot avoid the losses. All you can do is how to reduce the losses. So if someone is saying that we have a zero loss strategy, don't believe in these kind of scams, right? That is what I want to tell you. And this is about Nifty. Make sure we have a strategy. In fact, we had a strategy. We explained a strategy in yesterday's video, two strategy both in Nifty and Banknifty. We took those strategy today morning and it is in a decent profit, which I will share in our Telegram group. So if you are not in our Telegram group, I will leave the link in the description below. You can join our Telegram group. Now before going into the Banknifty and talking about Nifty, I want to see what is happening in terms of market league, right? As I told you, they are having a 3 days conference, online conference between 27th till 29th from 10 a.m. till 2:30 p.m. and they are going to have various kinds of money management, risk management. In terms of risk management is very important. People keep stop losses. Now you tell me, what is the use of keeping stop losses, right? People argue with me. People ask me in our Telegram group, whenever I post a huge loss, people ask me, why are you not keeping stop losses? I will tell you, I have told this 1,000 times. I am going to tell you another 1,000 times also. Stop losses will not work. expiry day trades, it will not work. What will happen if the stop loss is skipping your stop loss limit price? It is not. If you are, what will happen if the price is not triggered? You will be in loss. So stop losses are not going to work in a market where price action is very heavy. Price action moving, one candle making 100, 200 points, it is not going to work. You will have to remember this, right? And even in gap ups or gap downs, it is not going to work. Stop losses are not going to work. You will have to work on your hedges. You will have to see how you have to manage your hedges. You will have to work how to dynamically, or you have to work on how efficiently you can keep the hedges. That is the only thing which is going to help you. And don't, for God's sake, don't sell any naked or call options or put option, right? So that's what they are going to talk about. It is about risk management, it is about positional sizing, it is about strategies, it is about different kind of spreads, so on and so forth. So this event is happening between 27th till 29th of February from 10 a.m. till 2:30 p.m. and I will leave the link in the description below. You are going to get 90% off, and there is only 100 seats left. So if you want, you can join, right? Now with that being said, let us see what is happening in terms of Banknifty, right? Now you have to remember this level. We have talked about Nifty, 22,000 till 21,800 is a good support, and in terms of on the higher side, 22,500 is going to be a good resistance. Now I will go to Banknifty, and this is the Banknifty chart. And let me tell you, Banknifty is in consolidation mode. From 20th, it hasn't moved anywhere much. On the downside, it has not gone below 40. What is this level? Yeah, around 44,500 levels. Yeah, this is hourly chart. And if you can see here, this level 45,000 levels, and on the higher side 47,000 levels. So for a complete month, right? Even if you calculate from February, yeah, from February we are almost completed 15 or 16 or 17 trading session. Still Banknifty has not moved, right? Not moved in the sense it has moved, but it has not moved more than 1,000 or 2,000 points. So what do you get from that? So you can see that the probability of Banknifty, even if it comes down, I can tell you 45,000, 45,200 is a good support. It is a good support. And on the higher side, I can tell you around maybe 50k or even 49k is a good resistance, right? So with this being said, you can plan your strategy between these levels. In fact, today was a very good opportunity. Had you done a straddle when India VIX was very high, you could have made good money, because tomorrow or day after tomorrow you will lose theta decay, or you will see that India VIX coming down, and probably your strategy would have made good money, right? Now for Banknifty, as I told you, you can expect that even if it is coming down, it is not going to come down below 45,200, and if it goes on the higher side, the resistance is at around 49,000. So 49,000 is a resistance, and 45,000 or even 46,000, or let's say 44,500 is a good support for Banknifty. And in terms of FinNifty, we'll talk about FinNifty also. Yeah, this is FinNifty, and tomorrow is going to be the expiry of FinNifty. And let me show you this one. This is the hourly chart of FinNifty, and you can see here that FinNifty is moving in a sideways direction. Lower support is around 20,000, let's say 20,000, 20k, and higher support is around 20,800. So for around even more than February series, or from even January series, we are seeing FinNifty moving between these lines. So either it has to break 20,000, 20k on the lower side, or it has to break 20,800 on the higher side for Nifty to either be trending, right? So that's the idea here. Maybe I'll post something about Nifty in tomorrow in our Telegram group. So if you are not in our Telegram group, I will leave the link in the description below. We have a very vibrant Telegram group where people discuss a lot of things about markets. So make sure you are in this group, right? So if you are interested in forums, right? And in terms of market, there is not any big news. There is tomorrow there is a news in US market, durable goods order month on month January, and apart from that I don't see any news, big news in US market. And in terms of US market, Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq futures are almost flat. Europe opened flat, but it is recovering slowly and steadily. So hopefully we are going to see a flat market tomorrow. I'll hope I have explained everything. Last but not the least, as I told you, Market League and moneycontrol.com is conducting a online conference between 27th till 29th from 10 a.m. till 2:30 p.m. It's going to be a lot of fun. They are going to discuss lots of things from technical analysis to risk reward to strategies to all kind of things, for which the link is on the description below. And it is around 90% discount for our subscribers, and there is only 100 seats left. So if you are interested, you can join, and I will leave the link in the description below. I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Till then, take care. Bye.